Okay guys, let's talk of the town. Cabaret bar, Beatles and whatnot in there. Yeah, they're back out doing it now. It's supposed to be quite good. We still haven't been in there guys, so I'm just going on what other people say. When I walk along here, so we coming in there. Spanish holidays this month. Right, I don't know what's happened to this bar guys. I might take this out and put it on the other video as well. Yeah, Smoky Mo's has gone. Bar's up for rent. Another bar that didn't make it. They did reopen, I think. But obviously it got too much. Not enough people coming over to start off with. You got the doctors there if you need the doctors. Private one. And you got Santori House there.
No, hardly Santori House.
Yeah. So I'm going to carry on down a bit. Yeah, it's still a bit bad when you see the bars go. They've struggled. They're just never going to get back into it. What's that say, Marcus? What's that?
Irish pub.
There you go. That's open. And next to that, obviously, is Joker's. Fantastic place to go. The drinks in there are watered down, yeah. The drinks are really bad in there at the moment. I just confirmed again the other day. A lot of it's on 2 for 1. And spirits and stuff. It's more like water shandy type stuff. Yeah, so great bar if you don't drink. I hate to say this because I really love this bar, but that's Joker's for you. I really don't know why they're doing it. All the other bars can make money out of it, so why water it down? Last pint I had in there, I couldn't drink it, so. Well, what's this place up? What's happened to this place over here now? Royal Arrow. It used to be a bumping bar. It's quiet as anything now. So what's happened to the music? Yeah. What happened to these bars? Hope I was up there. Oh, sorry guys, I'm having a bit of trouble seeing again. Yeah. What's happened to these bars? Not pumping today.
Probably the same thing that happened to Tiki. I had a noise complaint.
Got the Arches Lounge up there as well. Let me know if you've been in there, guys. Let me know what you think of it. Brand new hotel. There was a quiz on the other day, yeah. One of the quiz questions was, what was the latest hotel built in Benidorm? And of course the answer was this one. It wasn't built, it was refurbished. Yes, it did have a massive refurbishment, but yeah, there was a hotel here before. So yeah. But yeah, let me know what it's like if you stop there. I I'm sure it'll be a lovely hotel now. Even better now they've got rid of that banging music. So people can sit and have a drink. There we go. More bars along here. What kind of bike is that then?
E-bike?
Yeah. Really low seat on the back there. Well, I hope you're enjoying the videos. We're trying to pump them out a bit more now. A little bit of news. I think the Benidorm ball will be changing what we're doing on there. Oh no, I take it that's the new Sinatra'S bar. Oh. Wow. Sorry guys, if you were up a bit too much there. Surprised me. This was supposed to be open about 3 months ago. That is looking like a bit of, not total abandonment, but yeah. Yeah, in a minute guys, there's a lot of traffic at the moment. Let's try and get a film in when the traffic's come. Yeah, this was advertised to be open about 3 months ago. Wow. That's all I can say, wow. This will not be open till
Christmas.
I reckon somewhere around Christmas. They've missed their season this year. I don't know what's happened. But yeah, I reckon they've made a real big mistake here. Yeah. Sorry to say that, it used to be a good bar. You know what happens to good bars when they shut? You've got to build your reputation up again. It looks very similar to the old bar. Now they've got a back room through there. Maybe not quite as much space in the front. Okay, wish them all the best anyway when they do get eventually open. It's not far off the strip anyway, so it's going to be good. Little square just up here. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody that does. Appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.